So welcome to another video. Today's episode will be one of that focuses on the most common questions, what pencils and hardness I use, drawing tools, etc. So what you see are the basic tools that I use, not all of them in the one drawing. On the right are the traditional pencils, and we continue with mechanical pencils. We have some erasers, blending tools and brush and extenders. Here you can see sandpaper, a kneaded eraser and a pencil sharpener. First of all, I want to clear something up. This is not sponsored video. I do everything for free based on my own experience. So let's start at the right. I have probably the most commonly used pencils, and they are Tombow Professional. We also know Tombow pencil for writing and Mono 100. Tombow also means dragonfly in Japanese. I'm currently using Tombow Professional, a very versatile pencil in excellent quality, designed for professional drawing. Made of very high quality premium cedar wood, the brand was founded in Japan in 1913 and has been producing some of the highest quality pencils you can buy. Right next to it, we have a green pencil, which is more like student version that is intended for general writing and drawing. During my practice with it, I found that it did not reach the same quality as its cousin, the Tombow Professional. But of course, you can create a great work with it, and it's more affordable. Next to it, we have Staedtler Mars Lumograph. Specifically, the hardness HB and 2B are the probably most frequent and used for me. This brand is the largest producer of pencil here in Europe. Their leads have special composition and higher proportion of carbon for more matte black. This company has something behind it. We date its establishment to 1835 and its roots goes back to the 17th century. It produces pencils and writing tools to this day. It's a very decent quality and suitable pencil for professional drawing. Right next to it, we have Staedtler Mars Lumograph Black. It's actually a cousin, and the difference is not only in the color, but also in the composition of the special lead formulation containing a high proportion of carbon for matte jet black results. However, I have to say that with this pencil you will not achieve a matte black effect like with the charcoal, that's for sure. But with the right technique you can produce more matte black. This is Kohinoor Hartmut. It's a Czech company named after well-known diamond. I think they use to call it Mountain of Light in Persia or something like that. These pencils are a bit patriotic to me and will be known especially by the Central Europeans. They are very popular in elementary schools. They are also making special art sets that are definitely of higher quality. Let me know in the comments below if Kohinoor Hartmut is available in your country. Here we have a Faber-Castell mechanical pencil, which is a German brand founded in 1761. Again, a very high quality lead, suitable for professional drawing. Sometimes I use mechanical pencils either for drawing, the entire work, or the final hatching. Of course, its advantage lies in the fact that you don't have to sharpen it. Basically, you still have a point ready to draw. There are also several options for the width of the lead, ranging from 0.2 mm to roughly 5 mm. This is the Tombow Mono Zero eraser. It's an eraser in mechanical body that you can slide out like this and also cut in the different angles. This tip is a little helper when you're creating details like small highlights. Next to it we have a blending stamp, which is basically just a rolled piece of paper, and this can push the graphite particles even deeper into the texture of paper, which creates impression of the smoother transition. And this guy right here is the sketching blending knife. It's shaped like a regular painting knife. It's made of plastic, and at the end there's something like fine foam sponge, which is also intended for blending. Really helpful stuff. This is a classic brush that has several functions. The first is to remove waste from the eraser or the graphite particles. I don't want to blow on paper or sweep it away with my hand. On the far left, there are two extenders. One is made from plastic and another one is wooden. They provide you a better grip, and last but not least, they can help us to use the pencil to the very end, even if there's no longer space for holding. This is the sandpaper. It's attached to a small plate with double-sided tape, and I use it for additional sharpening. I made it by myself. Of course, you can buy it in any art store. This is the kneaded eraser, which most of you know for sure, and the ordinary, regular eraser. Finally, we have a razor blade that allows us to sharpen the pencil in academic style. In the next video, I will show you how to correctly sharpen the pencil.